What's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is E.D.S Everyday Situations, motivation with a twist of comedy. This adult shit starting to piss me off. Life after 18 is horrible. Every time you breathe, you owe $150. Child walked in my room and saw me crying. This motherfucker gonna say,
when you done, you still gonna cook?
like, dude, please get the fuck out my room. Speaking of kids, I don't know who needs to hear this, but don't bring your gang-banging ass kids around mine. We raising nerds around here. Oh, and another thing, your child seeing you in crowds at school events is very important. Fellas, remember this. A big booty woman can potentially give you a big booty son. I'm just trying to get rich the same way y'all be getting pregnant. Fast and unplanned. People, this is a PSA. If you in this year single again, we posting you on Facebook Marketplace. Sis, you got a BBL and you still single? You should have got your CDL. Y'all act like y'all don't need nobody. I do. I need a solid motherfucker in my corner that got real love for me. You know what I noticed? Y'all really out here letting the internet tell y'all how to love and live. And y'all be following it. Motherfuckers jump on the internet and tell their deepest secrets for 13 likes. Ladies, chase them dreams like you chase that motherfucker who don't want you. Everything is not about a man. Be a better woman for yourself. I hate a motherfucker who ain't got no type. Just talk to anybody. Can't leave you around nobody. Now I see why older women be like, that's just my little friend. Something else I noticed. Men can't do shit right, but hide a bitch or a baby. I had a question. You ever tried to help somebody and then you realize they're the reason why they got problems? I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're having a bad day, it can always be worse. You could be sucking a dick that was just in somebody's ass. Next time I suck a dick, I'm putting his legs up on my shoulders. Ladies, when the dick fall out y'all mouth and y'all be chasing it, y'all be ugly as fuck. All he do is yell and ask for money. Sis, you is dating a pastor. Something else I noticed. Niggas be 40 plus out here calling themselves slime and shiesty. Nigga, you is a jive turkey. See, these niggas kicking it with niggas they talk about. Y'all be safe out here. Niggas lucky I don't do voodoo. Motherfuckers be walking around here bent up like Shamar. See, fellas, let me put y'all on the game real quick. Some of y'all men don't realize that your superpower is safety. Not money, not game, not that little social media hustle y'all swear y'all got. It's safety. The things a woman would do for a man who makes her feel safe, mentally, emotionally, and physically, man, it's amazing. She'll do all things you, naturally. She'll start dreaming bigger because she knows she got somebody that got her back. But if she don't feel safe, whew, she gonna turn into Batman real quick. Y'all thought I was done, huh? But wait. There's more. These niggas can't do shit right. And ladies, y'all can't do shit right either. Except hide the fact that you crazy. At least until the third date. About time that wig come off and your real personality show up, it's too late. He already done financed your car and co-signed on your OnlyFans ring light. These niggas swear they alpha. Sir, you ain't no alpha. You Apple Pay. Cool when the Wi-Fi is strong. But soon as the service drops, useless. Niggas be like, I don't gotta do all that old school shit. Why not? You can't even hang up a TV without calling your uncle. They be like, my nigga, I don't do all that simp shit. But you on a block, hugging your homeboy for 45 seconds, whispering, bro, I love you, in his ear. Bro, spoil your girl how you spoil your friend. You just bought your homeboy Dior cologne, a PlayStation 5, and paid his rent. Meanwhile, your girl begging for a damn 4 for 4 from Wendy's. But ladies, don't clap too hard, cause y'all be on bullshit too. Some of y'all think that being a cum bucket and a professional baby mama is a flex. Yeah, girl, that's my baby daddy too. Like it's a badge of honor. Baby, that's not a trophy. That's a community award. You're not special. You just next in rotation. Let's talk about y'all role model, Cardi B, real quick. Sis dropped an album called Am I the Drama? And the answer is yes. Then turned around and said she's pregnant by another man while still married. That ain't drama. That's a Tyler Perry script. Matter of fact, Tyler probably already casted Madea to be the babysitter. Ladies, stop clapping for that like it's empowerment. That's not boss moves. That's community chess in Monopoly. Everybody gets the turn. Meanwhile, the world is falling apart. Bills are sky high. Eggs cost more than gas. And y'all kids back in school begging for designer fits. These little 6th graders got full designer Gucci backpacks. Baby, you're 11. Your mama car got 3 different door colors, but you Louis V down. That's not drip. That's generational debt. And don't forget about depression. People really out here hurting, but can't say shit. Cause people gossip rather than helping. Y'all see somebody stressed out and crying and go like, damn, let me screenshot this for Facebook. No, put that damn phone down and go hug somebody. Dating pool, over with. Men are toxic, women messy. We got designer junkie kids, and Cardi B pregnant with her 4th child by the wrong man. At this point, I'm about to just stay single and argue with my air fryer. At least it gets hot, doesn't lie, and I know exactly when it's done. Unlike y'all, now I'm done.